I'm looking at gold today. We have a break to the downside. As you can see, we had some good support around the 3300, 3295 area. We have broken to the downside now. I think it's quite significant. The trend line goes back a month. All the moving averages on the 1 hour chart were clustered here as well. So it was a sharp break. We hovered below the trend line, giving subscribers plenty of time to get into a short position, and then boom, down we go. Now we're below the 50% Fibonacci level. We're below the short-term 50% Fibonacci level. So on the short-term chart, it does look like there is room to move to the downside here in gold. Now, however, if I go to the longer-term charts, there may actually be a reason to buy gold around here. Let me show you what I'm looking at. On the 4 hour chart, we're actually touching a trend line that goes back 3 months to the middle of February. So it's a good trend line to look at. And we've got the 200 period moving average on the 4 hour chart. We don't really have any Fibonacci levels there. I would have liked that. But we are retesting the previous swing low, which is around 3210, 3200. So that could actually be another reason to jump into a long position in gold. On the 4 hour chart, we are getting a little bit oversold on the downside, as you can see from the slow stochastics. So 4 reasons why you might want to get into a long position here in gold. The moving average on the 4 hour chart, 2 trend lines in fact, and we're oversold in what is still a bull trend, even though we're in more of a consolidation phase right now. And lastly, if I go to the daily chart, you can see that more clearly. The previous swing low around the low 3200 area, the longer term 23.6% fib at around 3211. We held that perfectly on the last move down in the end of April, and it looks like, and we are retesting that level now. We're not oversold on the daily chart like we were about 3 weeks ago. So that's a reason for caution if you're buying into a long position. But for sure, a break below sort of 31.95 would be a sell signal, because it would be clear that we've broken all the support levels that I'm talking about. Good luck if you're trading gold today.